Oh my gosh, guys. Hello! I have a new vlog. And, tingnan nyo, anong dumating. Humanizing Financial Services. O, yan ang kanyang tagline. Sakto to, di ba? Pagkakarating ko lang from Malaysia, nakita ko yung ad nila, tapos biglang boosh, dumating siya. And look, meron pa siyang ganyan, no? May rush delivery pa sila nakasulat doon. Ang cute naman ng kanilang envelope, di ba? So, this got in mail. I just got it recently. Like, sakto-sakto kanina lang to kasi kakasign ko lang yung documents. And I wanna discuss something that I kinda like about what they're doing with their credit card envelope. If you're going to see here, guys, di ba? Nandito yung address ko. Pero you'll see this whole yellow seal nila. Nakasulat, security seal. And then here, nakasulat dito, if sealed or envelope is tampered, do not activate card and please call 632-8588-3888 immediately. O, di ba? Tapos nakita nyo hanggang dito yung seal niya, oh. So talagang alam mong hindi siya pwedeng matamper or tamper resistant siya. So guys, something that I would remind you, yung mga ganitong parang stapler dito, don't worry about this. Kasi ito, di ba, alam nyo, siniseal naman nila yan. May paper dyan ka nagsasign, tapos pinipitas nila kuya yan. So, this is fine. But always make sure that lahat ng area sealed. Itong likod, itong side, hindi siya tampered. Like, ito, ang ganda ng pagka-seal. Ganun dapat mo makuha yung credit card mo. So, this will be my very first Maybank credit card. Wala pa po akong Maybank credit card. This will be my first Maybank credit card. And of course, we will unbox it sabay. Because, alam nyo naman, ganito talaga ang goal natin dito sa vlogs, guys. Sabay-sabay kong i-open lahat ng mga meron akong credit cards if bago man nakuha ako with you. So, I applied via online, guys. This one is via the website of Maybank. And do I have an account with Maybank? I have an account with Maybank. Yung Maybank account ko, guys, is yung nasa GCash. Alam niyo yun, yung parang GSave. Tapos meron dyan yung parang Maybank account doon. Nag-open ako ng ganong Maybank account. Hindi ganun kalaki ang pera na nilagay ko doon. Parang just a few. Kasi dati, di ba, may promo sila na parang if you put, magmataas interest yun. Kaya meron ako noon. But now, medyo hindi ko na siya linagay dyan. May konting-konti na lang laman dyan. But anyways, maybe that's because of that account, nagkaroon ako ng ganito, maybe. Tingnan natin kung ano ang in-approve sa atin na credit card. Siyempre, maganda yung in-apply ko. Pero, hindi natin alam kung maganda yung in-apply natin. Without further ado, eto na. Diba? ASMR tayo lagi. Inaayos ko lagi ang pagkakat nito. Kasi guys, siyempre, we want to save this. If ever may kilala kong ipamigay ng mga envelope or mga documents to other people, ginagamit natin, reuse natin, okay? Ito muna, syempre, para surprise for us, guys, di ba? Makita niyo yung mukha ko, masaya tayo mamaya o hindi. So, Maybank will provide you a booklet. So, all of this is basically your credit card terms and conditions. So, your responsibility as a card holder, everything else, it will be back and forth with everything na nakasulat dito. So, guys, lahat nito kailangan nyo rin basahin if ever kailangan nyo gamitin ang credit card. You have to make sure that you go through it rin para at least alam nyo rin. Ito na siya. Okay, ay! So, when you open it, sa likod, ito siya. Sa harapan naman, buti meron tayo nito. Okay, sa harapan nito, you will find, oh my gosh, hinahirapan ako, guys. Sa harapan, when you open it, lower part, which I'm blocking right now, is all of the details. So, my address and my name is here. Tapos, on the right side of it, nandyan yung card number, credit limit, you have your cash limit, and then the cash limit, basically your cash advance limit, and then expiry date, and then billing cycle. So, 12th of the month ako. Wala siya dito payment due date, pero syempre, we'll know on the first kung ilan man yon, but for now, wala siya. So guys, ito yung makikita mo on the right side. So lahat ng mga details na kailangan mo. 30% na credit limit, cash advance limit na binigay niya with the total credit limit. And in fairness, not bad yung binigay niya naman sa aking credit limit. So, thank you so much, Maybank. Thank you so much. Without further ado, titingnan na natin kung anong credit card na binigay sa atin. So, ang credit card na binigay sa atin, you have the activation reminders here, how to activate your credit card. You can do it by SMS or you can do it via call. And then guys, nakakaloka, medyo naloka lang kasi ang laki ng sticker niya, like half of the card is covered with sticker, very BPI yung pagkagawa niya. Nakasulat rin dito, thank you for choosing Maybank credit card as your spending companion for your day-to-day needs for all your exciting adventures. Oh, cute, di ba? Without further ado, syempre, papakita ko na sa inyo yung card na to, guys. In fairness, ang ganda ng sticker. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys, ha. Ang daling tanggalin. This is how you make stickers, guys. BPI, makinig kayo. Ganito, hindi yung ang lakit-lakit ng sticker nyo, tapos hindi na matanggal ng tao yung sticker. Tapos yung credit card, ang kadiri na kasi ang lakit-lakit. Ganito, oh, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, guys. Maybank, good job. Ang galing, ang galing. Galing, ganda. Oh. Ay, may konti. Bas. Pero okay lang yan. And this is your activation description, your records, di ba? If flip ko lang siya, if ever kailangan nyo, di ba? Flip, yun siya. So you can activate it via SMS and you can activate it via call as well. Then your credit card will be activated within 30 minutes if you use it via SMS. Not bad, di ba? So medyo not real time, may konting lag delay, pero it's okay. And ang binigay sa ating credit card ni Maybank is the Maybank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Ito yun. So this is my very first Visa Platinum Credit Card ni Maybank. Okay. Now, without further ado, anong kailangan natin? Unahin natin lahat ng mga perks of this credit card, syempre. So, your Visa Platinum Credit Card from Maybank is a credit card where you can get, number one, 1% cashback on overseas spend. So, guys, every overseas spend mo, so when you go travel abroad, may 1% cashback ka. And 12,000 pesos ang kanyang annual cap. Diba? And yung cashback na yan will be posted on the second billing cycle or after 2 billing cycles. So, for January ka nag-spend, March mo makukuha yun kasi nasa second siya. Kasi syempre, i-validate pa nila yan, etc. etc. So, yun siya. Now also, low issue service fee on foreign currency transaction siya of only 1.80%. So, this is lower than BPI kasi si BPI is at 1.85 but a bit higher than your East West kasi East West is at 1.70. So, 1.80 siya. But what's nice about it is that with this card, syempre, di ba, kung nakita mo, 1% ang kanyang foreign currency rebate, diba? So, on overseas spend. So, 1.8 naman kanyang foreign currency transaction service fee. So, 1.8 minus 1 equals 0.8 na lang siya after mo makuha yung cashback na yon, diba? So, parang in fairness, maganda siya. But syempre, cap siya at 12,000 pesos every year lang. And you earn 1 point for every 25 pesos retail spend. You can redeem it with miles, you can redeem it with cash, pwede rin naman siya with gift vouchers as well. So, in fairness. And then, meron rin siyang mga discounts and privileges abroad. Kasi nga, Maybank, I believe it's well, not I believe. Maybank is a Malaysian bank. So, marami siyang mga promos. Let's say, when you go to Malaysia, when you go to... I've seen it, like, even in countries kung saan siya strong, paminsan mga discount siya. So, not bad, di ba? At the very least, di ba? So, yun talaga rundown of all of your different perks. Yun yung parang pinaka-maganda niya. Yun yung parang pinaka-highlight niya. So, saan siya maganda for me? When you spend it abroad, i-compare natin siya. I believe maganda at because 1.80% siya, maganda siya. So, it's a good card to have as well when you're traveling abroad. And then with that rebate spend pa, di ba? Not bad, di ba? I mean, 0.8 na lang siya lalabas after you get that rebate. Guys, if you travel abroad, often go. At saka visa rin siya. So, definitely the rate will be really good rin. So, syempre, itatry natin yan pagdating ng panahon, pag sa next travel natin. Buti na lang, may nakapila tayo. Maybank, matatry ka. Now, without further ado, ang gagawin natin will be SMS activation tayo with our credit card. And as always, guys, I will put a screenshot here or here para makita nyo kung paano natin siya i-activate. Now, activation of this credit card, you have to send 22565500 ang kanilang number, di ba? And then, don't forget you have to use the mobile number that you registered. Usually, ganun talaga siya. I personally also recommend yun yung gamitin nyo. And then, ang kailangan mo gawin is send a message ko, typing activate, CC, and then, last 4 digit of your credit card. Syempre guys, naka-block to kasi alam nyo na, private information. And then, your birthday in day, month, year format. Okay. And then, last name of your credit card. And then, we send. Diba? Okay, and then, guys, syempre, pag ganito, usually, intayin mo yung kanilang notification. Ayun na. We have received your activation request. Diba? And then, we will notify you. We shall notify you once we activate your card. If you did not make this request, please call our 24/7 hotline. Not bad, guys. In fairness, ang ganda ng pagkaano nila. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga notifications dito. Ang ganda ng kabilis-bilis. But, guys, very simple lang talaga siya. So, if you're going to look at it now, medyo walang kaano-ano talaga yung card niya. Wala. As in, ganito lang yung letter niya. Pak. Walang welcome, walang ano. Pinakamaganda sa kanya yung envelope niya. But, I mean, that's my first Maybank card, di ba? So at least we have it. Ganda rin niya for international spend. And of course, before we end this vlog, guys, don't forget you have to download the Maybank to You na app. Kasi doon ka pwede mag-check ng balance. And doon mo rin pwede i-check kung ano na yung mga transaction that you have. So that is your Maybank to You. Before I end this vlog, ang gagawin ko naman, i-download ko na rin po yung aking app. So this is the app here, Maybank to You. Medyo low lang rating niya. So medyo, low rating ang app mo. So alam mo, baka some people needs a new look, maraming comment na needs a new look. I have friends who said nga na parang yung Maybach app daw natin dito is like the Maybach app that they have or that they used way back in the day. Like, meaning matagal na yon, in short, matagal na yung panahon na yun. So, anyways guys, this is the Maybank Visa Platinum Credit Card. In fairness, it's a nice card. I will be trying it out soon when I travel abroad para makita rin natin yung mga rates niyan. And definitely, you'll have an updated vlog on those. I hope you enjoyed this vlog because this is a new card unboxing din. Guys, comment down below kung naging helpful yung mga ganitong vlogs ko. And again, as always, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, sa lahat ng susuporta, thank you so much again. I'll see you next vlog. Bye guys!